TVJ employee shot and injured in early morning shooting. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A television Jamaica employee was shot and injured on Tuesday morning while assisting a parent with his child who suffers from epilepsy. The incident happened at the intersection of Seaford Boulevard and Michael Manley Boulevard in East Kingston. Links 007 TV News understands that the 23-year-old epileptic man had broken through a grill at his home and ran outside on the street. It's understood that the stepfather, a police sergeant, requested the assistance of the TVJ employee to locate his son. The TVJ employee reportedly went out and located the 23-year-old man. However, it is understood that in attempting to restrain him, the epileptic man disarmed the TVJ employee of his licensed firearm and opened gunfire, hitting the media worker several times in the upper part of his body. The 23-year-old man's father, who was driving right behind the TVJ employee, saw what was happening and took him to the Kingston Public Hospital in an unmarked service vehicle. The TVJ employee is currently being treated. His condition up to the publication of this report remains unknown. Meanwhile, footage seen by Links 007 TV shows a marked TVJ vehicle that the employee was driving was parked on the corner beside a gas station. Police personnel were seen also calling off the area of the incident. Head of the Area 4 Police Division, ACP Michael Phillips, said that the man is receiving epileptic treatment.
The suspect has since been captured and the firearm was recovered from him. He was taken into police custody where he'll be treated at the Bellevue Hospital, and the necessary investigative processes will continue.
Shoot up and say go on and say no. I'm on the TVJ one that get pour up in idea out of Harbour View. The copy.
That was ACP Michael Phillips, head of the Area 4 Police. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in the later newscast. Thanks for watching.